What's going on, guys? It's Amy Nicholas. I haven't done a YouTube live in some time, usually on Facebook, but here we are, and we're talking investing in the market yet again. I just started a new daily investment, and the stock is Walmart, which is a total sleeper for me because this crazy stock has gone up a whopping 79.61. I don't know if you guys can see that. 79.61% in 1 year. That is insane. Like a year ago, this stock was like 40 some dollars, and now it's 101.94. So on Robinhood, I've set up daily purchase of $5 a day into WMT or Walmart. And we're on day five, as I just started it. And my market value is $25.10. So we are green by 10 cents, even though Walmart is taking a little bit of a tumble today, as is most of the market. But still, I think I started buying it at 101.70s or something like that, and we're at 101.94. Whatever, I must have bought it around that price point and slightly higher as it went up, but I'm up 10 cents. Woohoo! So I just thought I would share that this is a new investment for me, that I'm sticking to just $5 a day. Many of the daily purchases I've done on Robinhood, I fluctuate. I'll do $5, $10, $20, and I'll balance it out according to whether I'm adding different investments to that account or I want to put more in at certain times. So I haven't been very consistent on other stocks. Otherwise, I would share like, hey, this is what it looks like, $5 a day on SCHD or something like that, because I've fluctuated that. But I will share what other things I buy daily right now. So last month was slightly different. I was just kind of running an experiment to see what I could earn in a month from monthly paying dividend stocks, which actually pay based on a premium, not really a dividend. And those two stocks were JEPI, JEPI, and JEPQ. Both are JP Morgan premium call option ETFs, which means they take the money that's in the fund and they invest it into options strategies. So when you get paid every month off of those, it's based on what they earn. There's kind of a set amount. It's usually somewhere, I think JEPI was about 39 cents a share every month. And I think I got paid 45 cents a share on JEPQ. JEPQ, the price eroded a little bit. So I kind of waited until I think I was up like $1 or something. And I sold off JEPQ after I got paid my premium income. And then I also sold off JEPI because I decided, you really got to put a significant amount of money into these in order to get a decent dividend. And I'll share with you real quick here. Let's see if I can find it in my history, exactly what I made. So go past all these purchases. I was just buying a whole bunch of stuff yesterday. So the ex-dividend date, by the way, you have to have these shares in your account before an ex-dividend date. I used to think ex-dividend date meant buy by that day. And when you're buying and you want to earn a dividend, you got to buy the day before. Okay, just heads up on that. I made the mistake before and messed up on not buying on the right day. But I had been buying JEPI and JEPQ all month long. So I earned from JEPQ, I think I had about 12 shares on JEPQ. I earned $5.40. On JEPI, I had 10 shares and I earned $3.29. So just to share that. But so the topic being Walmart, I see really good things with Walmart's history. It's a very long, steady, stable dividend paying stock. It's not crazy on the dividends. It does pay, let's see, 0.81% dividend yield, which is not great, but it does pay better than like some of these index funds like VOO, or VGT. They pay very low dividends. So if you're looking kind of for something, this was what I was looking for, something that's a little bit more steady and stable, especially when the market is like, wee, then I kind of, that was my reasoning for jumping into Walmart. Also for the fact that, if you go back, 1 week, green, 3% up. 1 month, green, 11.7% up. 3 months, green, 21.79%. And if you go to the whole year, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, 79.63% up. Okay. And 5 years, 166%, like insane. Just look at this curve. Like I call it a sleeper stock because I was sleeping on it. And I'm like, wow, the research and different companies and things I've looked at, I don't know why I didn't start buying it sooner. I remember when it announced earnings last quarter, like I guess Q3 of 2024, Walmart, I think it was trading like around 80 some dollars. And I was like, and I didn't buy. And I regret that because now it's 101.95. So anyways, we're dollar cost averaging. It's $5 a day, rain or shine, whether it's up, whether it's down, just going to keep this going for however long I feel like it. If one day it turns into something crazy, I'll cash it out. But for right now, we're going to just keep steady the course. So WMT is the ticker symbol. In case you didn't know, I'm going to put that in the chat actually. Yeah, it's not quite intuitive. Like I would have thought like wall or something would be the ticker. But anyways, so yeah, I'll give an update periodically, maybe we see where we are in a month, 3 months, whatever. And, I just wanted to kind of share why I picked this one. I also, have been watching the market the last few weeks, 2 months, six weeks to 8 weeks. The market has been very, kind of just uncertain. We don't really know some days whether it's going to look good the next day. And if you have a good day, you wonder, is it going to hold off, keep having good days for a few, or is it going to turn around? But Walmart's just really held steady. I think that it's just a great stock in the sense of it's got a lot going for it. It doesn't cost a lot per share. You get a dividend, you get stability. You might not get insane growth like, something like, Palantir shut up the other day. Some of the other ones, I think Amazon's ahead of it. Things like that. It's like you might not get like insane returns, but you just look at its returns thus far, and even up to 5 years ago, it's very solid and very consistent, and certainly beat the freaking stock market last year. 79% return. I mean, that's just incredible. I think the stock market S&P was like 20. It ranges from 22 to 26 depending on what it is right now. But anyways, guys, that's where we're at. WMT. Let me know if you have this stock in your portfolio, if you're investing it, dollar cost averaging, you bought a bunch, you're just holding. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.